Perilanthus scientific name is Euphorbia thithymaloides. It is also known as zigzag plant, devil's backbone, and also Christmas candle. It got its name devil's backbone because the structure of the stem is like a backbone. Today I am going to tell how you can grow this plant. How you can grow Perilanthus plant in your house. Perilanthus needs it's a very low maintenance plant. You have to water this. If you want to water this plant, water this plant only once for 2 weeks, and this plant will survive really well in hot climates. It can survive up to 75 degrees Celsius heat. It can survive in 75 degrees Celsius heat also. This plant is a succulent, and as I told you, it's a succulent. This plant don't need water much, and this plant, when you want to propagate it, you can also propagate this plant in water as well as soil. For propagating this plant in water, just take a cutting and keep it in water. Today I am not showing you how you can put them in water and soil, but I am telling you, you have to take a cutting and put the cutting in water and keep it aside and leave it for a few days. After a few days, like after 3 days, change water every time because the plant can't survive without changing water. And don't take a mugful of water, just take some water and keep this cutting, and keep this cutting in partial shade. But if you want your cutting to grow in soil, take a cutting and keep it in soil. As you can see, this plant is grown through cuttings, and these cuttings were kept. I took 4 to 5 cuttings. And this is also a hedge plant. You can get these cuttings in a park also, so you can get them and keep them in soil and keep them in partial shade. This is, as I told you, it can survive up to 75 degrees Celsius also. You can keep it anywhere, but when you keep this outdoors in sunlight, it gets pinkish color leaves, but I am not having like that. A few leaves are like that. We kept this in indoors. So this plant is we brought from nursery. As you can see here, I am having 2 varieties. This is a variegated one, and this is having a normal green color. So for today, I am having only a few things about these both plants. I'll show you more. I'll show you more indoor plants. So click on the subscribe button.